Welcome to our discussion about power quality. Power quality refers to the degree of electrical power that continuously feeds into our facilities and plants. It's about how well the voltage, current, and frequency align with the desired values. Poor power quality can lead to equipment malfunctions, process destruction, and increased energy costs. Now, let's talk about how we can improve power quality. One effective solution is the use of Trans-Power MPTS. This device, specifically designed for industrial applications, helps to maintain a consistent power supply and minimizes the impact of power disruptions. So, how does the Trans-Power MPTS work? It filters and conditions the power that comes into your facility. It corrects voltage sags and swells, reduces harmonics, and mitigates transients. This way, it ensures that your equipment gets a steady, high-quality power supply, reduces failures and downtime in your building. MPTS is not a parasitical load on the electrical network. Use of MPTS results in reducing service and repair in buildings, resulting in lower cost of operations. The power quality improvement and the power management feature of the MPTS reduces total electrical demand and consumption. The benefits of using Trans-Power MPTS are numerous. Not only does it protect your equipment from power quality issues, but it also extends the lifespan of your expensive and mission-critical connected equipment. It reduces the risk of downtime due to power disruptions, leading to increased productivity and efficiency. The MPTS devices use the next-generation game-changing technology, unmatched in the field of power solutions. MPTS devices are standard unit, in other words, not custom designed, and can be connected in any electrical network. MPTS devices are in use all over the world. In conclusion, power quality is a critical aspect of facility maintenance and plant operations. By using Trans-Power MPTS, you can ensure a consistent, high-quality power supply, protect your equipment, and enhance your operations. Thank you for joining us in this important discussion about power quality and the role of Trans-Power MPTS in improving it. If you need additional information or a proposal, please contact your local electrical distributor or a Trans-Power company representative. Thank you once again for listening and have a very nice day.